Hello and welcome back to another episode of Do or DIY, where we prioritize creation over consumption. Today we are going to learn to make these adorable no-sew crochet octopi. After my last video, which was the no-sew dinosaur, I had a couple of people ask if I could make more simple, no-sew, easy to make, beginner-friendly crochet patterns. So I thought this octopus is the perfect option for that. He's so quick to make. He takes me about 15-20 minutes. Might take you a little longer till you're used to the pattern, but he's a great last minute market prep item, or last minute gift item, or just he's really cute to make. Video, I also had a couple of you ask me about getting the written patterns for these items. If you don't know, I do have an Etsy shop, If Hooks Could Kill, which I will link in the description box, and I will make sure that I am publishing all of the patterns that are in these videos over there as well. In fact, I'm going to put a custom coupon code right here that if you use that for the written pattern for this item, you will save 30%. If you want to just have the written pattern, or if you want to go over there and support me so I can continue to do what I am doing. Without further ado, what materials do you need to make this octopus? It's really simple. You need one color of weight 6 yarn. This is I got this at Michael's. I will link it down below. It's the same one I used in our last video. Love this stuff. It's so soft. It does shed, so be forewarned, you will be cleaning up little fluffs, but once it's crocheted into the item, then it doesn't shed. You're also going to need a 5.5mm crochet hook or something round about there, depending on what you're comfortable working with. You are going to need a little bit of polyfill stuffing, a set of safety eyes, scissors, and a yarn needle, and that is it. For round one of this octopus, you're going to start with a magic circle in which you're going to work 6 single crochet before you pull it shut. For round 2, you're just going to increase in each of the 6 stitches around for a total of 12 single crochet. For round 3, you're going to work 1 single crochet into the first stitch, then you're going to increase in the second stitch, and you're going to repeat this pattern all the way around for a total of 18 single crochet. For round 4, you're going to work 1 single crochet into each of the first 2 stitches, and then you're going to increase in the third stitch, and you're going to repeat this pattern all the way around for a total of 24 single crochet. Rows 5 through 9, which is a total of 5 rounds, you're going to just simply work 1 single crochet into each single crochet around. You will have 24 stitches at the end of each round. Those rounds, it's time to attach your safety eyes. You can use whatever size you'd like, but I like these larger ones. I got them off Amazon and I will link them down below. But you're just going to put those between rows 6 and 7. It's where I like them anyway, but you can place them however you like. In 10, it is important that you work in the back loops only, and you're going to work 1 single crochet in each of the first 2 stitches, and then you're going to decrease across the next 2, and you're going to repeat this all the way around for a total of 18 stitches. Then you're going to go back to working through both loops like normal, and you are going to work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then you're going to decrease across the next 2 stitches, and you're going to repeat this all the way around for a total of 12 stitches. You're going to want to lightly stuff the body of the octopus. You do not want to overstuff him because you want the bottom to be able to fold flat. So just a little stuffing to give him this shape. For the 12th and final round, you are just going to decrease across 2 stitches all the way around for a total of 6 stitches, and then you're going to finish it off. Then going to want to gather and sew the hole shut. And weave that yarn tail right in. Make the leg scallops, or tentacle scallops rather. You are going to insert your hook through one of those front loops that we left unworked, like so, and then reattach your yarn using a slip stitch, like so. And then we're going to work this entire round in the front loops that we left in this round. So you're going to work 3 double crochet into the next loop. And then you are going to slip stitch in the next one, and that is 1 little leg scallop tentacle, and then you're going to slip stitch in the next stitch and work 3 double crochet into the next one. And then you're going to slip stitch in the next one, and you're just going to repeat this all the way around for a total of 8 scallops. After you've completed that, you're going to finish off leaving a little bit of a yarn tail so you can weave it in. And then yeah, the last step is just going to be to weave in both of these yarn tails. And there he is, your finished no-sew octopus plush. As I said, this guy is great for last-minute market prep, super quick and easy to make. I will have the pattern listed up on my Etsy for anyone who's interested. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I have a coupon code for that, so you can save 30% off on that pattern if you just like the written pattern better, or if you want to go ahead over there to support me and help me be able to keep doing this for you guys. So let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video.